In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the floor console. Hi, my name is Sam and welcome to my channel, Auto Repair DIY with Sam. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And please visit my website, autorepairdiywithsam.com, for detailed information on this specific issue. So let me show you how to remove the floor console. First step, since we will be working on the vicinity of the electronic control unit of the supplemental restraint system or the airbags, it is extremely necessary to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery and wait at least 30 minutes to dissipate any residual power in the system to avoid any accidental deployment of the airbags while working on that specific area. Second step is to move the front seats all the way to the back, give you space to work on. Lift the console armrest up and remove the two screws from the storage compartment. Carefully detach the shift bezel using plastic trim tool. Disconnect the 12-volt electrical connector by pressing the tabs, then pulling it out. Remove the 4 screws securing the front portion of the console to the floor, then disconnect the electrical connector. And finally remove the floor console and put it aside in the same place. For the installation, just do the reverse of the removal procedure.